It's the first FIA Awards in India, and joining us, the man who represents India on that F1 grid, Vijay Mallya. I know it's the FIA Awards, but a little birdie tells me that you're to be held responsible for bringing it here.
Yes, I'm afraid I have to be held responsible. I'm very privileged that as a member of the World Motorsports Council of the FIA, when I proposed that they consider holding their annual General Assembly and annual prize giving here in India, I think there was a little bit of surprise, but I was persuasive enough, and the World Motorsport Council very kindly then agreed. This is the first time it's a joint mobility and sporting annual General Assembly. First time being held outside of Europe in recent decades. And of course, with the presentation of the World Championship Awards, this is truly spectacular. We've had 5 days of an opportunity to play host to all the delegates, over 700 people from over 100 countries in the world. It's not normal that such things happen. I think they are going away with a very, very positive impression of India. And I think it's a great moment for our country.
I was going to get to the Kingdom of Dreams. It truly gives an Indian feel. Were you instrumental in making sure it happens in a place like this that actually showcases India?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you know, there are hotels everywhere in the world, but there's nothing quite like this one.
If you look at the award function, would it be fair to say now, with so many Grand Prix happening in Asia and now the FIA Awards, Asia is the new Europe when Formula One is concerned?
No, I wouldn't put it that way. You know, Formula One is a global sport in more ways than one. And the viewership of Formula One across the world is absolutely humongous. And it's South America, North America, including the US from next year, of course Europe, Asia, Australasia, I should say. And so it's truly global. And I'm glad that we're all here in New Delhi. We'll see where it's going to be next year.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.